I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. You know, when I was growing up, one of my favorite desserts was a whole chocolate cream pie. My parents had this place, this fast food place that they went to, and they put on the bottom of the receipt, it said W-H-O-P-I-E, which meant whole pie. I remember asking for this pie for my birthday because I preferred it rather than cake. So we had a running gag in my family that, oh, I don't want a cake, I want a Whoppy, because that's what the receipt said was Whoppy, meant whole pie. So that was, like I said, a running gag in my family for a long, long time. This one here that we're doing now, it's completely vegan, and it's so simple. It's made with plain, ordinary, staple ingredients you can get at the grocery store. Let's get started. We're starting with 12 ounces of vegan semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now, chocolate chips are a lot easier to find vegan these days than they used to be. You just have to make sure that they don't say down at the bottom of the ingredient list contains milk or anything like that. But usually if it says plant-based or allergen-free, you should be okay. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this bowl in the microwave for about 45 seconds and let these chocolate chips start to melt. Right now, I am just gonna take a fork and start to mix this up. These are not melted yet. You can see there's still chocolate chip chunks. So I am going to put this back in my microwave for about 20-second intervals until the chocolate is completely melted. You can see my dog, he's exploring what's going on here in the kitchen. Say hi to internet land, Cake. Here's Cake. Say hi, Cake. Say hi. This took about twice at 20 seconds to get the chocolate nice and melted. So now I'm gonna put this into my blender. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 14-ounce block of silken tofu. Now, if you don't know what tofu is, check out a previous video on this channel where I explain what tofu is and the different varieties. This one here is a liquidy. It's really good used for pies and that type of thing. This will also up the protein value of our pie. So, as vegans, we don't get the protein that we do from the animal fat, from the animal products, so we get it in other ways. This is a good way to get extra protein. So that goes into the blender, and we're just gonna blend it until everything comes together and it's all nice and creamy. So now all I'm gonna do is put this in a graham cracker pie crust. Yes, I spilled chocolate chips, melted chocolate chips onto my pie crust. Hey, life goes on. So, vegan pie crusts are sometimes hard to find. The Keebler brand graham cracker crust is. So just make sure, again, you read your ingredients, make sure that there's no animal products listed on your ingredients. Otherwise, like I said, the Keebler graham cracker crust works. You can also take graham cracker cookies, crumble them up, mix them with a little melted vegan butter, and you can make your own. But for convenience, I bought the Keebler brand. So I am just gonna pour this in here into my pie crust. And then when I was a kid, my mom taught me this trick for leveling out dough, like in a cake, was just kind of shake it and slam it on the counter real gently a couple times. It kind of solidifies the base and makes everything even. So that's what I did here. Now I'm gonna place this in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then that's gonna solidify the filling. Then you can keep this in your refrigerator for up to 5 days, like it's gonna last that long. All right, this chocolate cream pie has sat in the freezer for a half an hour. Oh my gosh, it is taking everything in me to not just stick my face in this. I cannot wait to taste it. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you, have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.